Hi, my name is Unicorn Bee, and today we're going to show you how to make a glitter bottle. So first you need to add the water.
So we fill this with about 1/3 of water.
And then you put any glue that you want in.
And we have purple colored glitter glue. I need to let that. So we added some water into the jar of glitter glue so that it would be a little bit easier to come out.
So next we add glitter, and I pick, my theme is purple, so I picked these two glitters. And then we pour the glitter.
Do you want to do half of it or all of it?
Then we pour the glitter in.
It's really pretty. Maybe just half, and then we can save the rest for another project.
And then I'm using this one too. It's way smaller of a glitter.
Beautiful.
And then we add, and then we put more water in it.
Make sure to leave about ½ an inch at top so that it will float nicely, right? Okay,
and then you put the lid on and shake it.
Wow.
And then you have your own glitter jar that you could put in your room or like on the desk.
And I think it would be a really nice thing to help calm you down. Right?
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye.